Today we're going to be testing my latest build, the electric ducted fan, powered by an RS360 DC motor. The fan has 8 blades curved at 45 degrees. Let's test it. Last time I built an EDF, it was small and was powered by only an N20 DC motor. But this time I'm using a big RS360 motor inside of a larger housing, and with a larger fan too. Why is there so much air coming out of the front? It should be coming out the back. Barely anything's coming out of where it's supposed to come out. Let's... Only like 6 miles per hour. What should I do to get more speed? Everything looks sealed. Maybe the motor is causing the air to get pushed back. Maybe it's pushing up against too much, causing it to get pushed out instead. Maybe I could try putting this cone on the outside here, so the fan just blows through that and doesn't have to like blow past the motor. This is gonna take forever. Let's try again, but with the nozzle flipped around the other way. There's still a bunch coming out the back, and barely any coming out of here. Was it maybe turning the wrong way? Let's see. Now, there's a chance the front cone might be curved at too steep of an angle, causing too much back pressure. So I'm gonna reprint this thing, but like not nearly as curved. Now I'm testing it with just a normal duct. No weird angles. Much better. Let's see how much thrust we can produce. Right now, the whole setup weighs 314 grams. And when this thing blows up, it's going to push down on the scale, causing this measurement to go up. And to figure out the thrust that it produces, you add the number that it went up by to the original number. Let's go. Wrong way. Switch polarity. That is terrible. Not gonna be flying any RC planes with this thing. I do have one thing that might work a little better, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna put this on the other side. Will it work better or worse? Ooh, yeah. That's a bit better. I would even say it's fantastic. It's not too powerful because this is only an RS360 DC motor. It's really good for like basic applications requiring like a relatively large amount of power. But most electric ducted fans use brushless DC motors and spin a fan like this at 50 to sometimes even 100,000 RPM. when this thing's only spinning at 6,000 to 8,000 RPM. If you would like to see me do more crazy experiments, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what you think could make this fan better. I will be reading the comments that you post, and I will reply to as many as I can.